how to add or remove the period key or the www dot or the .com key in the keyboard web address input on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and from the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here tap on General Management. After that, we tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down, and in here tap on Layout. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and go to the web address input section. In here, you can tap on the period key toggle button to add or remove the period key from the bottom spacebar row. Here, if you don't really use the www key or the .com key, you can also switch it off. And that's it. That will make space, giving more space for the spacebar key. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.